Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix profile view option not showing on TikTok. So guys, if you're using TikTok on your iPhone or on your Android device and you will see that profile view option is not available on your TikTok main profile, I'll help you how can you fix this problem and how can you get profile views. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, you need to go back on your home screen, open your settings and make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. And after this guys, you need to go back. So guys, now you need to open your app store if you're using iPhone, and if you're using Android device you need to open Play Store in your device, and here you need to search TikTok. So guys, after searching your TikTok you need to open your TikTok app here. So guys, as you will see, you have to wait, open your TikTok app here, and you will see any update here. Then you need to click on update and you need to update your app to latest version. And guys, after this you can see all the features, and all the features will be available, and profile views also available on your TikTok app. And guys, if still not get this option and still not showing profile views, then no need to worry. You have to click on three lines, click on settings and privacy, and guys, after this you need to scroll it down. And guys, here you will see the option of privacy. Click on it and scroll it down. And guys, here you will see the option of profiles view. Click on it. And guys, if it is off in your iPhone, then you need to make it on. And guys, after this you will be able to get profile views option on your main profile. And guys, if still not get that option, then you need to scroll it down and click on report a problem. And guys, after this you need to click on an account and profile and click on profile page. And guys, after this you will see multiple options here, but you need to click on the option of others. You need to click on need more help. And guys, here you need to contact with your TikTok support team, and you have to tell your problem, and they will review your problem and they will fix your problem. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.